Hello guys, I'm back again. So I said on my post on Facebook, and I said a project is launching tomorrow, and the name of the project is Woof Lab. There is a Woof coin which has been trading since 2021, and I did marvelously well back then. So this one now is Wooflab, and they are launching tomorrow, which happens to be February 1st. And all they require us to do is just to fill a form. They have 10 form and one extra form. So let me teach you, some of you guys that are new to crypto, um, how to get into crypto. First of all, the first thing you need is you need a Solana wallet. And how do you get a Solana wallet? So you go to Play Store, then you type Phantom wallet. So this is the Phantom wallet. I already have it on my phone. So you download the Phantom wallet and you create an account. They will give you a seed phrase. You see this particular seed phrase, you need to hold on to it very, very tight. You need to write it out or store it in a place that only you have access to, because whosoever have access to this seed phrase owns or can do anything he or she likes with your account. So hold it there. So you go to this Phantom wallet. I think I opened it somewhere. The Phantom wallet. Yeah, here we go. So you go to Phantom wallet, you copy the address. Already I have my address. So how do you copy address? You can either click on this Solana. Once you click on it, then you click on deposits. Then you copy this address. This is the address. You click on this copy. So that's how to get your Solana address. You click on copy. So and you need a Solana address for this particular airdrop. So you go back to the tax. So I have the link saved somewhere already. So I'm done with the form 2. So I'm moving over to form 3. So this is the same step that is needed for all of them. So I'm going to form 3 right now. So I click on the link. So it will open. So you can decide to read through, but me, I've already gone through it. So I'm going to put my email address here. So, and they say you must complete this simple task to be eligible. 1, you must follow at Wooflab on Twitter, that's stroke X. 2, you must tweet this tweet. Then 3, provide link to your quote tweet below. So let's start the process. First of all, the first thing that is needed here is my Solana address. So I'll just paste it. This is my Solana address. I've pasted my Solana address. And the link to the quote tweet. I've already followed them on Wooflab, so you can't follow them twice, just once. So I am moving over to number 2, which is you must quote this tweet. So I'll click on it. It will refer me back to Twitter. Then there's a repost sign here. There's this first one is for comment, this one is for retweets, and that's repost or quote. Then this for love, if you like a particular listen. Then this other one is for bookmark. This last one is for share. So we are using this second one by the left. So click on it, then we'll go to quote. So then I click on repost. You have to click on quotes, then click on repost. Then I move over to this is how to move over to it. So this is my main listing. So I click on my profile here. Then I click on the profile. It takes me here. I've retweeted. You can see these other ones I've done. So I've done 3. So this is the third one I'm doing. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So it's the third one I want to repost. So I'll click on share, click on copy link. Then I'll come back to the document, that's the Google form. Then I'll post the link to your quote tweet. So I just copied it and I pasted it here. So then I click on submit. So I'm done with Woof Airdrop theory. So I'm moving over to Airdrop 4. So is altogether is 11 form. Please don't try to use two phones to do this, because these people, they have a boot that can detect if you are sharing IP with somebody. And don't share IP with someone that wants to use your data or your hotspot to register on this. They might flag your accounts. So I'm moving over to 4. There, I pasted my Solana address there. Let me copy it again. Then I'm moving to 4 now. So it's the same process. So email, I put my email here. Then my Solana wallet here, paste it here. Then since I've done number 1 already, so it's still number 2. I go to number 2, click on the tweet here. Then take me to Twitter. Then I click on the second one by the left. Then I click on quotes. Then I click on repost. Then I go back to my profile. So I copy it here. I share. Then I copy it here. Then I go back to the Google Form. I post it here. That's to the link. Then I just want to copy it to have then I click on submit. I'm done with airdrop 4. Then I move over to airdrop 5. Then the email, I put my email there again. So I'm just going through this process so that you when you're watching this video, you can actually recollect very well on how to do it, and you can master it, so that you don't get to forget the process. So I paste my link here. I click on the tweet here. So I go to the second one. Then I quote. I go back to my profile. Then I copy the quotes. Then I go back to the Google Form. I post it here, the link. Then I just want to copy my Solana address again so that it will be easy for me. So I click on submit. So this is airdrop 5. So it's the same process you would do till you get to the very last one. Please make sure you finish it. There are 11 forms all together. If I end this video, I'm going to continue with the same process until I get to the very bottom. So I just did this video so that you guys can get a clarification, or maybe some of you who are newbies and doesn't know how to do all these things. Please do this before midnight. They are launching tomorrow. So before they take a snapshot means like they want to take recording of everybody that have filled the form. So because very soon you might see that airdrop has ended and this link won't be it will open and it will show you that airdrop has ended or they are no longer taking response. So please do it right now. And also don't forget to follow me on my Telegram and also on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or if you have any questions, you can comment on the Telegram or you comment on my YouTube videos. You will be attending to. Alright, see you guys.